This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Cougar Commissions review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called Cougar Commissions. But before I do that, let me share with you some of my review bonuses. Now, the bonuses I have for you are how to create a WordPress website, the secret weapon, Urgency Suite Pro, social media boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, traffic machine, 25 proven traffic methods, 2,500 high converting email swipes, SEO skills mastery, list building experts, the lost code, and several other bonuses here, including all of the bonuses that the vendor has asked me to give to you. Now, what is Cougar Commissions? Cougar Commissions is a step-by-step training program from Dawud, an affiliate marketer who in the whole of 2018 was unable to earn affiliate commissions. But now in 2020, he earns at least $15,000 per month. So the Cougar Commissions is basically a step-by-step video training program by Dawud showing you exactly the tasks he carries out every day that has enabled him to now earn $15,000 per month. The steps he teaches in the videos are very easy to understand and implement, irrespective of whether you are a newbie or experienced. Even without technical skills, you can still effectively carry out those tasks. Now, let us head over to the members area of the Cougar Commissions. Now, this is what inside the members area of Cougar Commissions look like. When you get this product, you see here the dashboard area, the support area, and if you desire to log out. Now, the step-by-step video training programs are divided into several videos. As we have here, you have the overview, which talks about what the Cougar Commissions is all about. Then you have the welcome to the training, getting started. He also tells you what affiliate marketing is all about. He gives you detailed insight into what affiliate marketing is all about. The big three. I guess you want to get this product to find out what the big three is all about. It talks about launch jacking, how to choose your offers, getting approvals for your offer, recording your screen just as I'm doing now, and getting ready to record your script. He takes you through several aspects of his daily tasks that have now made him a $15,000 a month affiliate earner. He also shows you his daily routines, how to rank your videos, and in addition, he provides you with advanced training methods of how to build a buyer list, sending your list previews. Then he also provides you with resources, bonus page builders, how to make custom bonuses, how to build a squeeze page, and additional training. Then when you pick up the Cougar Commissions, the vendor provides you the bonuses as I earlier showed you. These are the bonuses that he has for you in addition to what you get as you pick up this product. I have gone through the videos, and they are highly effective in helping you achieve your desired objective of making reasonable and substantial money online. Now, if you think this product is for you, please click on the link in the description below and it will take you to my bonus page that will look exactly like this. Now, when you click on the link in the description below, it will take you to my bonus page here that will look exactly like this, and here you'll find this video that I'm presently making will also be displayed here. As soon as you get to my bonus page, you click on this button to access the Cougar Commission and my bonuses, which I have earlier announced to you. Like I said, the bonuses I'm offering you are exclusive and they will help you scale up your earnings online. Once you click on this button, it will take you to the Cougar Commission sales page that will look exactly like this. Now, this is what the sales page of the Cougar Commissions will look like. And here, that would also provide you proof of his earning, meaning this method really works. And I've known Dawud online for some time, and he has proved very helpful in overcoming some of the challenges that I also encounter working online. Now, this is the picture of Dawud. And these are proof of his earnings. These are proof of some of his earnings. Now, he tells you here what exactly the Cougar Commission is. He says it is my entire daily action plan, step by step, easy to follow videos. Truly, the videos are very easy to follow, and how to find the best offers and get guaranteed approval, how to email your offers for the best results, how to get an endless supply of brilliant custom bonuses. So, essentially, this training covers everything that Dawud does daily that has seen him go from a zero earner in 2018 to a $15,000 per month earner in 2020. So, if you think this product resonates with you, simply click on this link and buy this product, and thereafter you will gain access to the members area. Like I said earlier, the product, I have gone through the product and I have found it very useful. It's useful for a complete beginner and even experienced marketers, because you will learn something new from this video training program. Now let us head over to the sales funnel. Now the sales funnel. The Cougar Commissions sales funnel comes with a front end which will be going for $7.90, and that is the early bird price. The price will be going up exactly 2 days after the launch. So I enjoin you to take advantage of the early bird price and get this product at the best price possible. And what will you get at the front end? You will learn exactly how Dawud Islam constructs his affiliate campaigns from A to Z, so that you can replicate the success he has gotten on Warrior Plus platform, going from zero in the whole of 2018 to $15,000 a month in 2020. Now we have the OTO1, which is a massive product bargain bundle, which is going for $37. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a down sale, and you get access to all of his 6 previous products. All these products less than 6 months old. All the 6 products are still selling well, but you can get them all for a one-time low fee of $37. And these products are Cash List, Creator, Muka Mula, Tiger's Traffic, Panda Profit, Eagle Emails, and Leopard Lists. In my YouTube channel, I have a review of some of these products, as you will see somewhere on the screen. In the OTO2, which is a 30x day done for you email campaign, which is going for $67, and unfortunately also there's no down sale. Here you send him the affiliate links for 10 products that you want to promote, and he will send back to you a 1 month done for you email campaign that you can plug into your autoresponder to bring you daily commissions from everyone signing up to your list. In the OTO3, which is the Quadruple Reseller rights, going for $97, again without a down sale, you sell Cougar Commissions plus 3 of his previous products, Eagle Emails, Panda Profits, and Leopard Lists, as your own, and you keep 100% commission of all the you keep 100% of the commissions you make across the entire funnel. Now we have the OTO4, which is the Cougar Commissions done for you. Here you get sent 3 times done for you bonus pages each week to import into your Commission Gorilla account. This OTO4 will be suitable for those who use Content Gorilla. Here, there will be a complete review video done for you with demo videos and 5 bonuses. All you need to do is insert your affiliate link and promote the product that you want to promote. Now, I can tell you, Dawud Islam, from personal experience, is very reachable and very accessible. It's not like those who will sell you a product and not attend to your challenges. He's always available when you need his help. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and then like this video, as this will be very helpful to us, so that when next we prepare review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our Cougar Commissions review video to the end. See you in the next.